Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Folks, how you doing today? So about 5 or 6 years ago, approximately when I opened this new store, I had found this round, what you would consider a bordello, speakeasy, hotel lobby sofa, and I was at an auction when I bought it. I just held my card up till I got it. I paid fair money, but it was going home with me by hook or crook, so I won the bid. I brought it back here. Since it's been here, I've had at least a half a dozen people try to buy it from me. Clearly, I'm not going to sell it. It's my style. I want to keep this for myself. However, look what I found. Now, these are really hard to get. Since I had purchased that one, this is the only one I've actually even seen for sale. And I was quite fortunate that it was for sale here locally. So I ran out like in an hour and I bought it because I've had so much interest in mine. This is about a little over 5.5 feet wide. I'm going to call it a vintage sofa because I don't know when it was made, but it's certainly vintage. It's not new. It was in extremely good condition. Wherever this was in a home or wherever it was well taken care of. There's no rips, no tears. All the buttons are on it. I've taken a good smell, sniffed it real good. It doesn't smell nothing. It's all wood construction and it's all in very good solid shape. Didn't need to be glued or anything. I took my air hose, blew it off real good and tidied it up. The neat thing about this sofa is it's a 4-piece sectional. Clearly it's meant to be left the way it is. However, if you wanted to break it up, you could. So there's 4 pieces. I'll pull this out. So you could go with 2 of these back against the wall. So you could have a halfer against the wall, another halfer against the wall over here, or 4 corner chairs. But clearly it is meant to be like this. This is the way it should be displayed. Once again, in absolutely beautiful shape. No buttons are ripped, no tears, no nothing. We can get this crated up and shipped out for you. These are really hard to find, super good condition. Speakeasy, bordello, hotel lobby. It is really quite an extraordinary piece, which I can't even find any new ones to buy. So this one is super good. Once again, if you want it, give us a call, push the button, whatever you want to do. We'll send it next door. We'll get it completely crated, professionally shipped. It will be brought to your driveway and dropped off in front of your house. You'll uncrate it and take it inside. Super nice piece. As always, we appreciate you watching our videos. Great response. Push the bell on it so that you can see what we're doing real time on Instagram, YouTube. Keep watching. We come up with great stuff, and thank you so much for your response. I appreciate it. Watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those 3 things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.